During the self-help group public program held today, cheques were distributed to members of the SHGs and beneficiaries of the Pradhan, Mantri, Krishi, Sinchayee, Yojana or the Pmksy Watershed Development Component 2.0. Minister of Soil and Water Conservation, Government of Meghalaya, Marcus N. Marak, highlighted the pivotal role of the Pmksy in empowering SHGs to undertake income-generating activities and adopt modern agricultural practices. He emphasized that the Watershed Development Component of the Pmksy not only enhances livelihoods but also boosts farmers' production systems. Marak underscored the success of the Pmksy in achieving comprehensive and sustainable development through convergence among various sectors such as agriculture, rural development, forestry, and water resource management. Meghalaya's robust SHG and grassroots network has positioned it as one of the top performers in the Pmksy WDC implementation nationwide. Addressing the audience, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma acknowledged Meghalaya's natural resources while highlighting the challenge of water resource management in the state. Sangma commended the efforts of various departments in tackling water management issues and emphasized the significance of the Pmksy Watershed Development Component 2.0 in this regard. He outlined the activities of the program including watershed management, natural resources management, afforestation, agricultural improvement programs, and livelihood and income generation activities. Sangma urged upon the SHG members to utilize the seed money prudently to ensure the program's success.
SHG. Rose SHG is next. We have also Kosak SHG from South Garo Hills.
Abrikaba SHG. Hexagray SHG. Next, Mantri SHG.
Water is one of the important resources for any nation. And in the coming decades, accessibility to proper potable water and water in general is going to be one of the biggest challenges that every state and nation is going to face. We all know that. And all scientific research and studies are indicating towards a major water crisis. Some places already facing them and most places will face in the coming years. Meghalaya, I've repeated this in many forums, receives approximately close to 63 billion cubic meters of water every year in terms of rainfall. And hence we are very lucky, and God has blessed our state, and enough water resources are there for us. But the problem with the overall management of the water is that out of the 63 billion cubic meters, roughly 61.5 plus minus of billion cubic meters is actually flows down either to Assam or flows down either to Bangladesh. And hence we are only able to retain less than 2 billion cubic meters of water every year. And hence the availability is not the issue. It is actually the management of it which is the critical part. People don't want to destroy forests. People don't want to take away the natural resources. People don't want to pollute the rivers and other, our environment. But they are only doing it because of their livelihood. And because they need to obviously survive and maintain their family and feed their family, they start depending on the forest resources and on other natural resources. And hence, if we are to find a long-term solution, a solution which is sustainable in nature, then it can only be done by providing alternative means of livelihood to our people so that they don't depend on the natural resources as much as they do now. And hence, it has to be a two-pronged approach. It has to be the management of the resource. At the same time, it has to be an alternative source of income for the people. And if these two things combine, that is when we will get a successful outcome which will be sustainable in nature, sustainable in the long run.